In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the downstream O2 sensor on this Volkswagen Rabbit. This is going to be underneath the vehicle towards the center of the exhaust. Let's get into it. Underneath on the passenger side, we're going to remove this panel. It is pretty easy if you just want to take the few nuts out and tip it down, then you can access the connectors, but we're going to remove the whole panel. It doesn't take that much. Using a T20 socket, take these two screws out. That comes right off. Using a 10mm socket, take the rest of the nuts out. This panel comes right down. We're going to disconnect this connector, slide it out of the bracket first. Then you can see on the back side, you can push down the tab using a pocket screwdriver or a pick. Push down on this tab and it slides out. It slides out that way. There's a clip right here. Unclip it. Now using an O2 sensor socket, which it's pretty much a 7/8 or 22mm socket with a slice in it, so you can go over the wire. We'll remove it. And loosen it up. And take it out. And take the O2 sensor, get it started. And just twist the wire as you tighten it. Snug this down first. Now I'm going to torque this to 28 foot-pounds. That's good. Just slide this grommet down so you can clip it in right there. Slide the connector through here. Plug it in, connect the connector, just line it up, and lock it down. And slide it into the bracket. Just gonna go like that. Yep. That's good. Now line this cover up. And get the nuts started. Just snug the nuts down. Not too tight, they are plastic nuts. This panel is going to go right here. Line that up. And get the screw started. Snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.